So we've had a lot happening around the shop lately. I'm just kind of trying to explain why we had a bit of a lull in videos for a bit. Well, there's a couple of things. One, I broke my old camera, so that's a bonus. When I was doing the Subaru in one of the past videos, I hit the camera and it took a tumble all the way to the ground. So I'm getting used to a new camera. I used to have a Sony HDR AS300, and now I'm on a GoPro Hero 7. I like the action cameras. They're small, compact, usually pretty durable. Granted, that's like the, I don't know, 5th or 6th time I've managed to try and kill my camera, and it scratched the lens, and then I tried to fix it and it made it worse. So maybe one day I'll get it fixed correctly. But that's on my side of things. The other big side of things is the shop got bought. We are under new ownership. You haven't really noticed because, well, nothing's really changed other than who owns the shop. The owner wanted it that way because he did a lot of research into finding out into what kind of shops he wanted to buy, because he wanted to own a shop. He just didn't. Our shop was approached by corporate entities and all sorts of different buyers, a few corporations, and our old owners were kind enough and I guess polite enough to turn all those down. It's like they could have gotten more money, but they didn't want to put us in that kind of situation where we were going to possibly be corporate owned, because down the street was another shop that was a mom and pop shop for 30-something years, and they got bought by corporate, and pretty much everybody left, and it's turned into a bit of a poo pile. So they didn't want to see that happen here, and especially they didn't want to see us leave. So our new boss is really cool. I like him. He's a lot of fun. But yeah, nothing's really changed. He's like, I'm not going to come in here and screw up something that's successful. This shop's been open for 30-something years. Also, interesting facts about my shop. I know a lot of shops have high turnover rate. The newest person at this shop, well, I guess technically it's me, but so I've worked here for almost 11 years now, and the only person that has less years here is my other coworker who's out right now for surgery. Jason, he's been here for like 8 or 9. Eric's been here for 12 years. Mr. Mike's been here for 15. David's been here for 25. He's our service writer. And that's the crew. It's me, Jason, Eric, and Mike are the mechanics. And we've all been here for a very long time. So that was when our new owner saw that, he's like, what kind of unicorn of a shop is this? So that's also been kind of why the videos have been a little random lately, because I'm getting, he's really awesome and he runs the shop really well. It's just also been, you know, crazy around here. We're trying to get everything changed over. We're trying to do all this other stuff, and so it's just a little nutty. And we're also trying to get a handle on running the schedule differently. So it's been really busy. So that's what's been up. If you guys have any questions about it or comments, I guess leave them in the comments. I have no idea how long this video is going to be, and I guess I'll keep talking about some other things and other plans that I have for the future of the channel if they all work out the way I plan. So if you didn't happen to know, I stream this all day too. This is just me recording while I'm streaming. All I do is hit the record button. I just hit the record button on the GoPro and roll with it. And I do specialize in Volkswagen mostly. And I also answer questions if you come in with a question. Well, I try to do my best. I don't know everything. I mean, that pretty much covers what I do here. I fix cars. I make a mess. I swear I throw things. I don't really throw things. I want to throw things. But welcome to my channel. It's a lovely place. Grab a straitjacket and sit down.